Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the concept of Lakehouse. So Lakehouse exists in the experience which is data engineering. So one of the experience in Microsoft Fabric which is data engineering, there you can see Lakehouse. So if you are involved in data management, you have probably heard about the term Lakehouse, right? But what exactly it is? So this is going to be one of the video in the Microsoft Fabric series. If you haven't watched previous videos, please go and watch the previous videos. So in this video, we'll try to understand the concept of Lakehouse, and then I'll show you practically how to create Lakehouse and load some tables into the Lakehouse. So Lakehouse is one of the items that we create within our workspace. So you can see we had created workspace called Fabric Demo. Let's go to the workspace, and here you can see new option. After clicking on that, you can see the list of items over here. So Lakehouse is one of the items in experience. And what is our current experience? Our experience is Synapse Data Engineering. And Lakehouse combines the best feature of both data lakes and data warehouses. It's essentially a unified location where we store both structured data like tables and unstructured or semi-structured files such as CSV and JSON. So one important thing about Lakehouse is it supports delta tables. Delta table is a unique form of table that are high performing and very rigid. It typically found in data warehouses. But beyond that, Lakehouses also offer the flexibility to store various types of files as well. One of the best thing about Lakehouse is their seamless integration with other tools. So it can be integrated with other tools without having burden of a lot of technical expertise. They are designed to be easily connectable, making data management not only more efficient but also more powerful. One of the cool features of Lakehouse is that when you create a Lakehouse, it automatically generates SQL endpoint. That means you can easily query your data using SQL. So let's now create the Lakehouse. So as you can see, we are in the workspace called Fabric Demo. Click on New Lakehouse. Give it a name. I'll give Fabric Lakehouse. Click on Create. It is creating. So you can see a Lakehouse is now created and tables and files. So as we spoke up earlier about SQL endpoint, it is basically created. I also created a semantic model for Power BI in case we want to get all of the data which stays here in the Power BI. To view the SQL endpoint, we need to click on setting. Is option SQL Analytics endpoint. This is a SQL connection string. We'll try to learn how to get this done in coming videos. So to upload data, you can see various options are there. Upload files, start with simple sample data, new shortcut. So shortcut is a different category of videos I'm preparing in Microsoft Fabric series. So whole detailed video will be coming for this shortcut. We can also import data from data flow generation too. So for now, just upload our files. So my uploaded files are in this folder data for one lake. Click on product. Okay. You can overwrite if file already exists. So our file is not exist. So we'll not choose this option. Anyway, you can choose. It will work. Click on upload. So as long as there is no error in the file, it got uploaded successfully. You can see. So you can see file we have uploaded, which is of CSV. So the file which is under this files is of no use right now. It's just a file. So what we need is a table. So table is a more optimized in favor to analytical uses. So when data is stored in a table, it can be viewed. It can be queried with the help of SQL endpoint we have discussed about. And also with the help of notebook, we can write Spark jobs to view the tables. And this can't be done with the file. So we need to convert this file into table, and we'll see how to convert it. To convert this file into table, we just have to hover to that file and we'll get the option of three dots. Click on that option and simply click on load to tables, new tables. If you have existing table, you can use that, but in this case we need to use new table. So simply I'll give the name product table column header. So as you can see, our file has headers in it. We'll use this option, use headers for column names. Separator will be comma separator. As our file is of comma in it, click on load. So you can see it is loading. Product CSV is getting converted into table. So as you can see guys, it is successfully loaded into table. You have to just refresh the tables and there you go. Product table can be seen. You can see your table structure and now you're able to do a lot more things, like you can write queries, you can pull this data into Power BI or any other tool, and you can also write Spark jobs in a notebook that we'll be seeing in our coming videos. So there are also other methods to create table that we'll see. So the method we have seen to create table like this, to load tables in new table, will be for CSV files only. Now imagine if we have JSON file. So the approach and methodology will be different, that we'll see. So that's all for this. If you like the tutorial, please hit like and subscribe to the channel, and see you all in the next video. Thank you.